Hello bachao. I am Vikas, your biology teacher. 9th of February you have batch selection test. Yes, it is batch selection test. It is not an entrance exam. Your admission is confirmed. So we cannot say it as an entrance exam. It is a batch selection test. On the basis of marks you will achieve in this test, you will be selecting your batch, in which batch you want admission. There are three batches. Batch number one, in which I will be physically teaching, that is Vikas sir batch. Batch number two is also my batch. It is also Vikas sir batch, but it is Vikas sir's smart batch. We use smart technology. That's why I say it as smart batch. In this batch, whatever I teach in the class, that will be coming live on a big screen, and you will be able to listen me, see me live. It's not recorded, it is live session. And in between session, say one or two times in the lecture, during the lecture, I'll be visiting to that class. It's just the next class in which you will be sitting in the smart batch. It's only 2 steps away. Okay, and I'll be visiting over there during a break, and I'll ask you the question. If you want to ask me anything, you can ask me directly to me. I'm physically present. I'll be physically present for doubt solving in that batch. So smart batch is also my batch. And after the lecture also, any student of any batch can come to me, can ask doubts, can discuss with me anything physically one-to-one. Okay, so one batch is the batch in which I am teaching physically. Second batch is smart batch, that is also Vikas's batch. Third batch is of Krisha ma'am batch. In that batch, Krisha ma'am will be teaching. But as we have smart board, everything is shared. The content which Krisha ma'am will be teaching is the same which I made. Actually, I made that content. That entire content is in my handwritings. All the diagrams are made by me. Only the person who is delivering the lecture is different. If any student feels that no, I do not want a smart batch, I need a teacher, for that we have Krisha ma'am batch. Those students who are in Krisha ma'am's batch, they can also come to me, they can also ask me. In smart batch, you will be supervised by a teacher so that you are attentive in the class, and you will feel that you are in the physical batch of Vikas sir. Now the batch selection test will be held on 9th February. I'm telling this again, and after that a merit will be formed. A merit will be formed, and on the basis of merit we will arrange the batches. So as we are talking about merit and marks, I thought let me help you out. Now you all are my bachas. So actually this video is meant for this only, to help you out how to prepare for this batch selection test. I am giving you certain tips to learn properly so that you can score up to your potential or better than your potential. First thing, you already know that the syllabus is of NCERT, science textbook, only biology. Chapter numbers I have already provided you in the WhatsApp group. How many questions will be asked, that also I have provided you in the WhatsApp group. Total marks are 360 in NEET. In biology, 360 marks of paper is there. 90 questions and 360 marks, the same thing will be asked, and MCQ pattern. All these things are already informed to you. Now the most important thing, most of the students, what they think is that, okay, chalo MCQ hai, let's go through the text one time and we'll go and answer. Don't make this mistake. MCQs are framed from theory only. So you don't have to just read, you have to learn. You have to learn the content. You have to learn the content as if you are learning for theory, because MCQs are framed from theory part only. So please learn it, don't just read it. Now this is specifically for CBSE students and ICSE students and IB students. Okay, they have less habit of learning the content, so it is specially for you. After that, you don't have to regret that I have not done this properly. That's why I'm telling this to you. Please learn it as if you have to write it down in the paper. Now about questions. What type of questions will be asked? There will be different types of questions. There will be easy questions, there will be difficult questions, there will be logic based questions, there will be application based questions, there will be questions from diagrams, labelings. So you have to do everything. Okay, and yes, always any of the paper in the world, any of the paper is not 100% easy or not 100% difficult. So similarly, in my paper, the batch selection test paper will have all type of questions, all type of MCQs. You have to apply your logic, application. You have to learn the content. It can be, I can pick up the same line of the book because I made the paper. I sat with your book of 10th standard CBSE. I read it and then I made questions out of it. Okay. So one more thing I should advise you that please do not practice any MCQ from any reference book. It's not going to help because I don't think that any reference book will have same type of questions or the level of difficulty of question will be the same as I am making. So yes, the test is not going to be very easy. The test will be little bit difficult. Obviously, all the questions are from textbook only. Questions will be from textbook only. None of the question will be from out of the textbook. But it's not going to be very easy for you. Okay, you will be preparing for competitive exam. NEET is a competitive exam and it starts from here. So paper will be a little bit difficult. Practice well for it and do not refer any reference books or do not practice any MCQs. Learn the content of your NCERT textbook. Answer will be from that book only. So you will be facing all type of questions, easy, moderate, difficult, all type of questions, but overall quality of paper will be little bit difficult. You have to compete to get selected. Moreover, be a little bit faster. I don't know you how much habit you are having of solving MCQs, but be a little bit faster. Please see that you are able to complete your paper, but in being fast, please do not make mistake. So be fast, be precise, be correct. Okay, all these things are very important. The time which we are providing you to complete this paper is obviously more than the time which you will be getting in NEET. But still, I don't know about your speed. That's why I'm suggesting you be fast, be precise, be correct. Okay, that's what the competitive exam is about. If required, you can watch this video multiple times because I have tried to help you out how you should preparing, as you all are my bachas now. And please focus on each and everything. Those students who will follow all the things which I have suggested you, I'm very much sure that you will be scoring very nice. And if you are preparing in this way, it will help you in your board exams also. Okay, it's going to benefit you. So prepare well. All the best for my exam, my batch selection exam, as well as your board exams. Bye for now. Happy NEET.